At always salute give you where they look me koro koro plus they hear me wine wine. On top of the chairman television station Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. And this na the Ogbonge program will give you license to talk about the you for body as E DEY HOT. Today na Friday 20th of February and this one this as E DEY HOT that the one who they use the commot cutting on top of the week where we just they finish. So my name na Nkubi and Chukwudi. And I welcome you to one very special episode we want to do today. Make a break am now. This week we carry some kind of ogbonge guest come inside studio and we discuss some very, very important issues. What we go try do now to sample all the things when we talk from Monday reach yesterday when be Thursday. Control the phone lines open, give una license to talk. Our guests then tell us say they won't come. We tell them say make una wait. Say now you when they watch us now you get the power because this one now your show. So we can't decide say we go throw the phone lines open as quickly as possible so that una go fit chook mouth for any topic when concern una when we don't discuss this week so that even for Abuja they go dey hear wetin we dey talk. I'm not there alone inside studio as usual. I dealt with my brother when Sabi well as it concern this matter as E DEY HOT.
Yes, good morning Nigerians. Good morning our wonderful and beautiful viewers where they watch us. And welcome to the last day of the week's edition of As E DEY HOT. Today will be Friday. Chukwudi, of course, we look a review of what we'll talk about this week. And at least more like a reminder to remind us, see what we'll talk about. Because I know say a lot of them will still get things to talk unto say when we get guests, not to give a lot of that freedom to do anything to call in. And then right now we'll throw some of these issues out, then so that now if we call in, also contribute in our own quarter to that. My own name now Nkubi and this now as E DEY HOT.
Make una hear us well. Make we start from Monday. Monday will be 16th of February. What will be first talk? We carry matter as he take enter from weekend, enter that Monday. And one of the matter will cause serious debate na sake of the way when we say the former president of Obodo Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, say he release statement say the government of Oga Jonathan Ebele Goodluck say be like say the thing they shake and people from the office of the Oga President come fire and counter attack say it be like say in hand they scratch am now he make am they always they write these things they release them the thing they go front they go back they go front they go back they go front they go back we can carry Oga Joe Igbokwe when be the talk person of APC inside Lagos to come inside studio with us he enter. He can talk say somehow if a person will be say get white beard that's the elder if he they talk say make we check the kind things when they talk he can talk say Chief Olusegun Obasanjo a big man for this country he sabi book where say if to say the born for the days of the Old Testament he name for be Solomon say all the thing when Chief Olusegun Obasanjo they talk say true they inside the matter now what we discuss on Monday to see whether all these things when the former president of this country they talk whether he they distract the president have been at the right thing for them to the talk.
And yes, on Tuesday, we can carry another Ogbonge person come on our domot. And what we'll talk about on Tuesday, we'll look into the trending matter where they happened that time, which of course will be the issue between the former president, OBJ, and in card, in permanent voters card, where he come out publicly, come tear in front of Nigeria, say, look, I am no more member of this political party, will be PDP. And you know, that thing can raise different counter reactions. And Bola Oba will be our guest, will be a social commentator and political analyst. Come out, also look the matter, come where from your own go say, look, everybody get your own opinion. OBJ when they come out talk say, look, Jonah, say himself, your own administration, say himself get one or two issues. You understand? Say don't be saying the title say Jonah administration makes sense, but then make everybody looking waiting, make everybody looking own past before you go they do it, they criticize others. So that is it.
On Wednesday, because of the time when we check our phone, we see 2,000 missed call. We see 60 million text message. People they talk say they want Chukwumat for this matter of say the former president of we country tear in card. We can't say if we begin they talk another thing, say the thing we cause quarrel. That's why we throw our phone lines open. Calls they enter from Asaba, from Port Harcourt, from Newi. Even people were even there for outside the Obodo Nigeria, their call enter. But it be like say the way network can't do and come be like say we no fit pick their call. People they talk say why go tear card. People say na right thing. People say he don't turn on again. People say na high service. People just they talk. they talk different things. And we can't gather all the things where una can't talk. Can't arrive at one thing. Say, even though Oga Presido, before, say he get love for this country. And now he make him the verse if the thing be like say they pay him. Say Nigeria not be only get the country. Say make it they allow Oga Jonah, they do something. They do what he want to do. If you want advice and get the way you go advice, and nobody say you come out for public, come they talk anyhow. Now what we discuss on Wednesday with that as we take on our phone calls they go.
Yes, and on Thursday we can't say okay. Make we even deviate, make we shift ground, at least enter legislative angle. Unto say waiting, unto say the Senate invite this thing, INEC chairman come, they are front, say INEC chairman, or you come tell us waiting and waiting be the thing where you they set up ahead of this election they come up. Even come ask them on the state of the on the way to make even they shift the election in the first place. You can't say okay, they don't shift the election based on insecurity matter. Say even self, as in they say, he not too sure, he not that is, he know if you are sure say that election where they talk about we go hold this thing, if you hold those, because unto say waiting, unto say if the same security of chiefs come and say look, security never they bam. Say he no get anything to, he no get the right to say okay, let us go ahead with the election. So we come invite them. Our guest will be this thing. Bola Isha will be the House of Assembly member. Where they represent Etiosa constituency 2 for Lagos State. We can also ask and say, what will be the role of the legislator when it comes to decision making? When it comes to waiting to the guide. To they bring up rule we go favor us, we go favor una, we go favor everybody instead bringing own opinion. Talk and say, look, a legislator they try you, they do it in the field do. So now on that ground, we also discussed yesterday matter.
With these few points of ours, we hope we have been able to convince you and not to confuse you. Say all the things we know they discuss from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, as E DEY HOT. We won't come table them today. Make una call Chukwudi for this matter. Remember, I beg, if you call us, try reduce the volume of your television so that we go fit hear you and the full Nigeria go fit hear your voice so that they go hear them for Abuja. The telephone numbers don't dey on top of your screen. If you never save them before, save them. If you never share them with your family people, share them. And remember, say we get toll-free line. When we put the toll-free line, now because of the love when we get for una, based on the transformation where we don't they see, say if una call, the full Nigeria go hear you, but now from our pocket, now we go they pay. We did on top of Facebook also. Go to the Wazobia fan page. Like the Wazobia fan page. Anywhere where you see our thread, Chukwudi on top. We did on top of Twitter too. At TV as E DEY HOT. And we get website where if you send email to asidehot@wazobiatv.tv. We go rush, enter market small. When we come back, we go just throw the phone lines open. Remember, all the things where we don't talk from Monday, anyone will pay you, chook mouth on top and go straight to the point. They come back as E DEY HOT. Welcome back to As E DEY HOT special Friday edition, where we say we want to throw the phone lines open, make una chook mouth on top of all the hot things when they happen inside this we Obodo Nigeria. Whether na the letter when Obasanjo they write, they give our president say, you know they do well, you they do well, you know they do well, you they do well, you know they do well, you they do well. Or whether na as if verse come out, tear in card, or whether na wetin Oga Jega go do inside the house when he talks say he be like say I don't read you, but March 28th, he be like say we go want make una call to chook mouth for this matter. Nigerians, my hands are clean. Una know. I stand for the people. I speak the truth. I'm a man of equity, justice, and fairness. I don't know why every time when I come talk, Nkubi go make him like say, me and I get personal quarrel. But himself know, inside in heart, say all the things when I they talk, now the truth, because I they speak the minds of Nigerians when they outside there.
I to say, me and you talk, say, today talk, say we will talk on a very flat and free note. So why can't they launch this on sudden attack on me?
I say make I talk that one, make I won't use that one prepare ground first.
Prepare ground. Which ground you want prepare? To launch attack on me. When me and you don't agree before now, say what you say, we don't go raise voice, we don't go attack ourselves. You don't start them now. Nigerians, now they say you don't start them, make us start them.
I not talk anything.
No, not talk anything.
I say
indirectly. Do you have to come out and shout and scream before I go know na me they talk to?
I no shout now.
Say I they attack you, I they attack. What do you mean by I they attack you?
You now what you they do?
I don't attack you now.
Now what you they do now?
Now you prompt this one.
No.
If they make me speaking, now you prompt this attack, this sudden attack what they attack you now. And the attack what they attack you, that to tell you the truth, nothing but the truth. What do you mean by all the time they launch attack on you? What is that?
You don't show what you get for mind come this show. You see, the Bible even talk am say evil. Sorry.
Hey.
Wait. I make mistake where they come from. The Bible even talk am say night and day are two different things.
So what are you trying to drive at? Let me know. Who are you referring to as the night?
You don't get that from your mind. No, you don't.
Who are you referring to as the night and who are you referring to as the day?
I go tell you, make we take this call from Hamed. Hamed, they call us from Lokoja. Oga Hamed, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Ahmed.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning, Oga Ahmed.
Is Ahmed calling from Lokoja?
Yes, right on, we hear you.
Yes, Mr. Nkubi and Mr. Chukwudi.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
The matter of inside na the matter of Obasanjo. Which
The what?
in PVC card.
Okay.
That one na Tuesday, 17 February. I beg fire on.
Yes. So that matter, though, the way me I see that matter, but I don't see it to be anything. Because the reason why I say I don't see it to be anything, Obasanjo don't they give PDP sign. The action speak louder than voice. You don't they give them sign. He give them sign with eyes. He gives them sign with mouth. He says they don't they have. He writes several times to them, say so. This thing, you know, on normal ground, ordinary person, we just criticize sitting government like that. They will not remove her. But being that a man of caliber, that's why they think they do that. But thinking not see their reaction, say they no react. That's why who come out openly and steer in this in PVC, in PDP card.
Yes.
So to me, I don't think there to be any issue at all. Saying that you are free to come in and then you are free to go out.
But
Yes.
Oga Ahmed.
No, ask him, I beg. No, just right on, Oga Ahmed.
So you are free to come in, at the same time you are free to go out. So there's no any panic, there's no any don't go through any issue for this matter. Say maybe it's there, maybe not there. Me, I'm
Yes.
not cancer to.
Thank you very much, Oga Ahmed.
Oga Ahmed.
1-0.
No. You say
1-0 Nigerians.
That's offside.
1-0.
That's offside.
Offside where?
Now offside.
Offside
now.
where?
Now offside.
Where he hit him?
Make I give Ahmed what Ahmed suppose here. Oga Ahmed. Excuse me. Oga. Excuse me. Let me land.
Okay.
Oga Ahmed. You get what they call due process. When we say excuse me. Let me.
Not be in consider be in word you go.
Thank you very much.
Not be from in word you go.
Thank you
Declare
very
say no
much.
one become member again.
Excuse me. If you want to become member of political party, then you get the way where you go take go.
Young
if
man.
you don't want to become member of political party, you get the way you go do am. Go
Because
your word.
for your
Submit your
information,
card.
for your information,
Go your word. Submit
the
your
same
card.
people wey visit that know. Now don't they go behind the curtain again to go say we will beg him.
Which
we will beg him.
Which
we will beg him. As if we no see am for paper.
Which behind which curtain?
Go and say we go beg and make it come back.
This thing where Ahmed talk now. You
All
don't
this
get.
one when I just dey para. When I do dey para. Make let him go. Now don't they go behind the curtain? They go make arrangement and now take please make it come back.
This one shows say our president, good luck Ebele Jonathan, he's a man of peace.
All this why where they happen. Why hasn't he addressed on that shit?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
saying
You get
the man
one thing
of
when people they always they talk. You get one song when they always they sing. They say love your neighbor as you love yourself. Charity begins at home. What are they try talk by this thing when I just talk now and I say our Oga president a good man. Our Oga president a person when me say him believe in peace. So as people they carry fire they come meet am. Him they take water they calm him down. As they carry fire come
Hold
down.
on, before they come fire down and take water cold and this may collect this call from Ogo, okay, good morning, Jare.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga, okay?
How are you?
We
dey
dey fine.
Oga, okay, I bet chook mouth for all the talk where they discuss.
Hey, Ogo, okay, why now?
I know, I talk am. When
I
Oga,
just
okay,
say-
don't come
see,
to talk, say,
the tone where Oga, okay, take greet us alone. Show say, look, he won't
talk the truth.
He won't
And the
talk,
truth now
say, look, after all, people don't they go behind the curtain, go they beg him, make it come back, go. Say, in fact, now to show say yes, say they know what they do. Say all this while, all they try make do say, as if they too know.
talking about going behind the curtain, that's a fallacious statement.
Why? What makes it a fallacious statement?
I will explain. Thank you very much.
What makes it a fallacious statement?
I will explain. Thank you very much. Now, we get what they call family issues. You understand?
Family issue wey no resolve when e dey very hot. Now when e don come, like this person go talk say, Asha go talk say, there is fire on the mountain. We are waiting, and everybody seems to be on the run. There is fire on the mountain top, and waiting me the last
You must complete that, you know.
And everybody
you must complete that.
So
everybody, wish everybody run.
Everybody run.
Now what did she talk with that?
Hold on. Now what did she mean there?
Not me, what did she mean?
The thing is, one, there's fire on the mountain. Don't they hype? They say, and nobody seems to be looking at it. Nobody seems to be addressing it until quite eventually, now that time you can come and say, now I address this thing. The man, all this way they talk the truth when they talk. Why I never address the truth when they talk? Don't look at me that way.
This way you want you talk, you go fall down from the chair.
I cannot.
They talk,
as long as I never fall down from this chair right from the beginning of when we don't start the program, I never ever fall down.
Thank you very much. One of the reasons why you never fall down for this chair, we all know why. We all know one of the reasons why you never fall down for this chair. If things no balance the way when things supposed balance, you don't go down fall down for the chair.
What has my strength on this chair, my sitting position on this chair, get to do with the government where they rule?
Now you use your mouth talk.
Because now what you try
no, now you use your mouth
now
talk.
what you try talk. Oga Ahmed, thank you for calling, and I know you give me a leading score. Good morning, Oga Ahmed. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes, good morning, Oga Ahmed.
Please, my question is just one. Are we practicing democracy or we are learning democracy?
Thank you very much. Nkubi, answer that question.
What is the question? Sorry.
Thank you. You see, Oga Ahmed, this thing when you talk now 3. I'm leading now. I'm leading.
Now where?
You see the question when he asks you, very powerful question. Very powerful question.
I'll give you anything. 3 points. He give you
because you know if you answer now. He talk and say you when you there here now when you always criticize this government. Now what he talk? Say, Mr. Nkubi, I have this question for you. You that you are always criticizing the government. You that you are always criticizing the government. Are you people really?
You know, no, don't stutter.
No,
there's no point stuttering. No, even stutter, no stammer, because you don't get the last question.
Answer the question when you talk.
Wait till make you not finish the question. If you say now you hear him.
Thank you.
We don't hear the question finish.
No, I heard the question.
And for that reason, it is void. We not answer.
I heard the question.
It is void. We not answer that question.
Under this government.
He said you're still stuttering. No point.
Excuse me.
Just pause. Hold on.
Don't tell me to hold on.
Hold on.
Don't tell me to hold on.
Hold on.
Which one be hold on?
Hold on. What do you want to Chukwudi? I say hold on. Just hold on. Keep your mouth quiet for now. Let us talk and address issues.
Nigerians, you can see violence.
Violence from where?
Not from you. Aggression.
After all, no be. Okay, okay is calling back. Okay, good morning, Jari.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, okay.
How are you?
Good day, fine. I know say you go talk true.
Hold on.
Okay, I want to take down on Monday because I tried to call, but I know reach you now.
Okay.
You know BJ site. You know say why always him? Why always OBJ?
Thank you.
That was number one question.
Thank you.
Then secondly, now goat. Now make it carry rope put down for neck. Dog no go allow you because dog will bite you. That one is secondly.
Thank you.
And you can never eat your cake and still have it.
Thank you.
That one is the number.
Number 3. Tell him.
Lastly, Nigeria no go spoil.
Thank you.
I pledge peace.
Yes,
we pledge peace.
We pledge peace. I pledge peace.
Okay. Thank you very much. Answer the. Which one?
1-1.
This is 4-1.
1-1.
4-1. Oga Ahmed on 3.
Look,
this one.
See, I still see nothing wrong in an elder statesman coming out to say, look, Mr. President, if others they find it difficult to talk, he no go keep quiet because we don't know Oga OBJ right from time. Say he's a man of his own. In they come and talk am.
So okay.
You know the person will say you got say okay make we dey the patch and the patch matter. He go come and talk am as he be. So, tell Nigerians, tell the Mr. President, talk am. As if he never even know. So that's why they talk before.
Thank you very much. So what you they talk now? We say all these other people wey don rule us for this country before. I go count them. Shehu Shagari, Alex Ekweme,
Wait, don't
Abdulsalami Abubakar. Say all of them, they patch things.
Don't misquote me.
Now what they talk now?
Don't misquote me.
So you thought say Abdulsalami Abubakar, they patch things. Alex Ekweme, they patch things.
If they no fit come and talk,
now they hear
say
them.
OBJ, where they say, well, we don't, the man where they talk, where they come and talk am, you know, send it. No strength.
So you mean say OBJ they talk anyhow now? Now what you they try talk? You say in the talk, say you go put yourself for trouble.
Chukwudi,
you go put yourself for trouble.
OBJ they talk anyhow.
You go put yourself for trouble.
OBJ go see something we did wrong. You go come and talk, say this thing is wrong, this thing is wrong. You could lay emphasis on them. When me and you know.
So you they talk say you know
when me and you
they talk say you know control him out. Now what you they try
your own
talk?
point. Because I never said that.
Make we take this call from Bayelsa. Sent from Bayelsa.
I know say they're very sent on this issue.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, Oga Sent.
I want to make Obasanjo learn from the former president of the United States of America.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
George Bush talk say, I do not criticize the presidency because it undermines the
office.
I do not criticize the president of the United States because it undermines the presidency.
Thank you.
I don't think it's good for a country to have a former president undermine a current president.
Thank you.
So is Obasanjo more than George Bush?
Thank you.
Eh?
Tell him.
Those contribute to the development of this country. They always bring problem. Why?
Thank you.
He did okay. You know they okay. You know it makes sense. So make Obasanjo go sleep as elder. Final.
Oga Sent, thank you very much. I'm leading. I know.
You are leading by what?
I know I go come back. I know say I go come back.
Hold on. We don't talk finish.
Answer waiting George
More
Bush talk.
people are still calling.
Answer waiting George Bush talk.
That is George Bush opinion.
Why is it George Bush opinion?
Mustafa has his own opinion, and Mustafa is calling us from Lokoja. Good morning, Mustafa.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Yes.
Good morning, Oga Mustafa.
Yes, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
I think you have always been addressing issues the way they are.
Thank you.
And I always want people to also know that Obasanjo in this country, you cannot rule out Obasanjo in the history of Nigeria. Chukwudi, I want you to understand one thing. They said a madman does not need to be told that the market is on fire.
So who be madman now?
Wait.
Now, calm down, Chukwudi. Calm down and listen to me. You see, OBJ tried to draw the attention, calm down, so try to address the issue. And when he has done his best, and these people fail to understand the reality, he did that to make an absolute clarity that he is no more with the party.
Yes, so.
However, Chukwudi, I always admire your argument.
Thank you very much.
They are right.
Because
and
my hands are clean.
I like the way you people present this program. Please allow me to say something about Jega briefly.
Okay,
briefly.
go on.
The Jega issue that they address him, I think the National Assembly have not done justice to this issue. If you have decided to call Jega to jump, it's like putting a car before the horse. Why don't you call the service chief and ask them what is the apple of the discord that leads to that letter on the eve of National Council for State meeting? Are you trying to stop this man to go ahead with the election that everybody has planned to do? Everybody plans his package, and suddenly you now wrote a letter to this man and said, stop this thing. But, well, as the way you people are demonstrating this thing, you are always mature. Chukwudi, I loved your maturity.
Thank you very much.
You've always been addressing issues, but Nkubi, I am for you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oga Mustafa.
2 in 1.
No.
2 in 1. 2 strong points in 1.
No.
That is to tell you I don't delete 3.
Make I address what they talk.
Address them. But before you go address, Matthew is calling us from Kaduna. Good morning, Matthew. Good morning, Matthew.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I was trying to call you all these days. Sometimes I always miss you people. Good morning, my fellow brother.
Good morning, Oga Matthew.
Yeah, you see, I want to tell Nigeria that you see, for somebody to be on that seat is an opportunity. It does not mean that they are more educated than anybody. We have much educated people that are more educated, but God give these people opportunity to be there. What Baba do, to me, is not good. For Baba to come out in public and tear his card and show Nigeria that he doesn't want to be in the party again. If he wants to join the other party, let him come out and tell Nigeria. But let us tell Nigeria, when Goodluck was to come to this government, people said they will make his governor ungovernable.
Thank you.
And we saw it. We saw it. Why can't Nigeria address that matter?
Tell him.
That say we will make his governor ungovernable.
Tell him.
And you people just allow it. That is it, sir.
Oga Matthew, thank you very much. Nkubi, answer him. Answer him.
Matthew, thank you very much.
No thank him. Answer him. No thank him. Answer him.
What is that?
Answer him.
Oga Matthew, thank you for your point, Jare. Anyway, it's your point.
Oh, you don't become Jare.
Wait.
Become Jare. Answer him.
Wait.
Answer him. If you don't answer this thing, if you don't answer this thing, now you will get problem. You don't.
Hold on.
I don't listen. Answer him.
Who is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces?
Question.
The president, Oga Presido.
Question.
Okay. Who supposed to decide how this country is supposed to run?
Thank you very much.
If people tell you, say this thing is not right, or they go make your government ungovernable,
what do you go do?
You don't investigate to find out whether or not those people they behind that.
Oh, Nigerians, can you see?
Wait.
Nigerians,
and if you have investigated, what have you done to make sure say you bring these people to book?
Make I give you example.
Or rather, you see they try to say you want the mind on the issue, you don't want to address them. That we should be asking ourselves questions as well.
I go ask you questions.
Mr. President is not addressing the matter the way it should be addressed.
Make we take this call from Philip. I go ask you question. Oga Philip, good morning, sir. Philip from Mushin.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning,
Oga Philip.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi and Philip.
Yes, good morning. Chukwudi.
Good morning. Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
This program is a very natural program. I'm enjoying it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm Philip from Munshi. To be an elder statesman is not easy. I'm not saying that elder statesman. But change that card to me, don't make me an elder.
Thank you.
But thank God it's an elder. We can't really out as a part head of state of Nigeria. We have other ones. But please, that is, for me, they need to go to the party. But I pray that who win? Good luck or
Buhari.
Buhari, may they rule us very well.
Thank you.
Okay.
But I pray that in that way of that card, for me, as a citizen of Nigeria, for me, it doesn't go well as an elder.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, Nkubi, sometimes you are with your author of the matter. I don't like it sometimes.
Tell him.
So please, we're all Nigerians. May we live well and live longer.
Yes.
God bless Nigeria.
Thank
God
you.
bless Nigeria. Thank you for that.
6-1. Nigerians are speaking out. They are speaking out. You been talk something, make I can't draw you back. You dey talk say something. Take for example now. You there for veranda. You sit down, they rest. Your wife bend down. They fetch water from well. Your neighbor come pass. Come look say he can't greet you say Nkubi, good evening. No, you say good evening. He can't say Nkubi because your wife bend. What this thing that is near you is very familiar. What thing you go do?
What is near me?
Your wife bend down, they fetch water from well. You sit down like this, she bend down like this, they fetch water from well. Your neighbor come pass, come greet you say, Oga Nkubi, good evening. You can't say good evening. They go say, Oga Nkubi, be like that thing when bend down near you, it look familiar. What do you go do?
I don't know where they draw your point.
Thank you very much. You know what?
No.
You know what understand?
No. I don't understand your proverb.
You know what understand?
I don't understand your idiom.
Because you don't happen to you. You know what understand?
What is that?
How can you be the leader of this country yet? You don't rule this country before. Okay, you can't decide, say, okay, this thing is the spoil. Or even with the talk say, we cannot throw the child away with the bath water. You want to throw away dirty water when you use bath. You can't throw away your pikin join now. You get the one you go do them as elder. You go match and small. Make you not be saying now all the mouth today is the talker. You can't come here now they talk this kind of thing. You know if you answer question.
What I talk with the wrong?
Maybe we take this call. Lucky they call us from Wari. 7 people.
What I talk with the wrong? I know they give me that figure say 7.
Oga Lucky, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Lucky.
Good morning, Oga Lucky from Wari. We dey hear you.
Yes. Make I quickly talk about yesterday. The honorable owner bring come.
Thank you.
Maybe talk something when I like woman. Hello?
We dey hear you.
He say Ebola. They fight and then
Lagos State
governor do everything. Yes. So I got to wonder if the thing goes recently for our own state, Delta State, the governor they say he measure this thing when he achieve now peace and security. So I got to wonder if it good, the state go say that then I make up. If it bad, now President we all go to put out. Why is it like that?
Tell him, ask him.
Hear your question.
When I really they want ask.
Hear your question.
Now you. Oga Lucky, who you dey talk to?
Now Nkubi are the.
Thank you.
Nami.
Nami.
Look at.
Every state go need to take credit for what in them do.
Hey, Oga Lucky, oh, hey, I need on they finish you.
In they finish you. No, they finish you. What do you mean by finishing me?
If anything happens, state go come out and say, now we do one. If it's no good, they go blame the government.
Wait. But sincerely, between you and I, from your church mind, you want them to say Ebola matter, no be Lagos State handler.
Sincerely, between you and I, from your church mind, who be the people when we say, when Boko Haram start, they just look the other way, make it be like, say, you know, until it come to monster, come grow, come to monster. Answer the question.
What are you saying?
If you answer, if you don't
say
answer.
Some state government, no raise vigilantes, we go also launch at
Oh, you do, yes.
Oh, it is if you ask questions.
Excuse me, sir. You call the president, commander in chief of the armed forces. You know, discuss the issue with him. You raise vigilante. Is it not backyard something?
What has the government so does? What has the federal government done so far to bring down this thing? They talk.
Esther go talk. You go. Shame go catch you today.
Shame go catch you.
He go catch you.
He go catch you.
Now you go catch. Now you go catch. Now you go
Esther,
catch.
good morning.
You don't pursue him. You don't pursue him now.
There. Esther, good morning.
Esther, I better raise your voice. See Esther call us. You know green. You.
Now you.
All the questions
now this
you never answer them.
I come to ask you a question. Look. For the past 4 years, when this issue don't get, when Mr. President never do anything about them, what do you expect make the state government do?
The first known case of Boko Haram.
Their own case. That's okay. Since the federal government is not addressing this matter the way it should be addressed, let us try and raise vigilante that will also help in fighting this thing.
Thank you very much.
What else?
Make I come ask you a question now. May I ask you a question? You no pay your pikin school fees. I just talk.
I'm not such a lousy father.
No,
I would pay.
No.
Use yourself as an example.
And you know why you go fit pay?
Use yourself as an example.
You know why you go fit pay?
No, Chukwudi, turn it to yourself.
Because of all the changes we don't see for this our country.
Turn it to yourself.
Now you make you use confidence. Don't say you go fit pay your pikin school fees.
Don't give me that. Don't give me that.
Okay, I give it to you.
People wait they will not pay their children's school fees.
Thank you very much.
Mention those ones.
Thank you very much.
Now find work. They don't see.
Now
mention them.
Now I won't use you.
No, you don't ever feel use me.
I must use you.
You don't ever feel use me.
If I don't use you, you don't go understand.
Use yourself.
I go use you.
Use yourself.
It's my example. Now you I won't use.
And I don't want it.
I
don't want your example to be used by me.
I will use you. You don't pay your picking school fees. Headmaster can't send you text message. Say you never pay your picking school fees. Oh, this da. Diplomacy, due process. Headmaster go tell your picking say if so long as they your pay. I don't know if your picking supposed to be book. Say if you get home, tell your daddy that your dad, or you go give your picking notes. But for him to come directly tell you is invading your privacy. He's invading your privacy. You go come here now, they talk, say this thing. You before my president of this country, you do this country for 8 years.
I see nothing wrong in the headmaster.
There is wrong.
I see nothing wrong in the headmaster.
I see something wrong.
For instance, running into the father of the child, I tell him, sir, I beg you, you're picking school fees.
Thank you.
Never pay.
Why the headmaster go run into you? Why the headmaster go run into you?
Helena, they call us. Good morning, Helena from Mina. Good morning. Yeah,
good morning, Helena.
Good morning. How are you now?
We're fine.
Helena, tell him.
I hear. What could allow me talk?
Okay. I allow you. I always allow.
So, you see when I want to talk for here, they say, when the thing good, nobody will call good luck.
Oh.
Now it don't bad. Everybody say good luck.
Tell
now
him.
when the thing they go wrong for Nigeria,
Where then they?
where our former president is.
Thank you, Helena.
So now I think I want to talk because more than take a here we are.
Tell him, now they always they rush me.
Now you are the talk to what to be that your day myself.
Nkubi.
Chukwudi.
Me?
Chukwudi, thank you.
Chukwudi. Now you are the talk to. Take her easy because we they argue with her for that stage. It they pay me well.
Why they pay you now?
It they pay me. So make you take her easy, I beg. When we take her easy, good luck. As they talk this, good luck come back, you're in trouble.
Naim, you go tell now.
You're in trouble.
See, hey, Helena. Helena.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for calling, Helena.
Helena,
thank you for calling. Let us
Helena, this is a mistaken identity.
Let us now.
Now Nkubi, they always they talk to Oga Good Luck never do anything.
Helena has made a point. She's referring to you. You never can tell. If you say, wait till Helena, you try to talk. You understand? Now they try to refer to maybe somehow, they start to call twist. Come they say na me. But then, Elena come they talk say na you, Chukwudi, mention your name.
Elena.
You don't mention Nkubi. Now your name he mention.
Elena.
Chukwudi. Listen and open your ear.
I understand why she make mistake.
Why? What I say we rig Elena voice again?
No, I understand.
What I say we rig her voice again?
I understand. Chukwudi. Nkubi is understandable.
See you.
Chukwudi, Nkubi is understandable. And I know saying that now
the name different. Chukwudi, your own is called Chukwudi, my own is called Nkubi.
Now the way you dey always dey call
am Nkubi. See the difference.
But the way when
give me
the sound
that consonant I've been waiting. It's enough. No, I don't want that from you. It's enough of you.
Helena, now me they always dey talk say make we take am easy because wetin we dey see na good thing. I don't know why you go come talk say now.
Tony is calling us from Akure. Good morning, Tony.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
How you doing?
I dey fine.
I took out for talking about Obasanjo and the guy issue.
Yes, we dey hear. Okay.
Yeah, first service Obasanjo.
Okay.
The way Baba think Baba give like all the way you say don't dey frustrated.
Thank you very much.
Wait.
And you understand me?
Wait.
When person talk say the elderly statesman, he's supposed to be father to all. No be saying go dey partial. The way Baba take care in card, it no make sense at all.
Thank you.
Baba supposed to play more maturity.
Thank you very much.
They follow me.
Yeah,
follow
we
We do not take and do the matter. It show the Baba wetin they call maturity. You don't just talk, if they look Baba. Next time I expect Baba make Baba do more better pass that. The time Baba they rule this country, nobody will shook mouth for a matter. And this kind of thing not supposed to be advised. No, it's not supposed to be the way Baba did it. We are going to talk on top of Oga Jega issue. Oga Jega talk say don't ready for election. When Snake dey happen, Oga Jega talk say about 1 million PVC
China. Thank you.
So that means say they don't do the election last week Saturday. Also, after they disenfranchise 1 million people.
Thank you.
See what happen for Cross River again. Don't say they carry their PVC card, go Kebbi. So those people too, they don't go for Ogun State too. If we want to talk today, then go be 30. Tomorrow, then go be 20. They're going to figure them back. So that means all those people don't go vote.
Thank you very much.
To talk to, I make never late.
Thank you very much. Oga Tony.
Thank you very much, Oga Tony.
You don't hit the nail for the head.
You never hit them.
And as you don't hit them for the head,
thank you very much.
We go rush enter market. When we come back, we'll continue this discussion as E DEY HOT.
Why go say you don't hit
11 people. 11 people.
It's not because...
Welcome back to E DEY HOT, the Ogbonge program on top of the German television station Wazobia TV on top StarTimes channel 195. And what we discuss now, all the breaking news will happen for this week, starting from Monday, when they talk, say, the former president of this country, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, say all the talk, when they always they talk, say he follow for waiting, they confuse or distract Oga President. We carry Joe Igbokwe, talk person of APC inside studio for Lagos that day, and himself talk him out for inside the matter. We come enter Tuesday, when we say the before president of this country, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo verse, talk say things don't reach the level when he don't reach am for year. In PDP membership card, say he no do again. We also carry another social commentator come inside studio, Bola Oba, and he say follow Chukwuma. On Wednesday we throw phone lines so we make all of una talk. Then Thursday we carry Honorable Bola on Yishawu, say make him come inside studio, come follow us Chukwuma inside the waka when Oga Jega carry waka go for Senate. When he come they talk say he be like say this March 28th and April 11, say God forbid though, but he be like say somehow something will happen. Ezugu Chukwudi and Nkubi dey inside studio, and we dey take your calls, make you chook mouth for on top of this matter. We still dey continue.
Quickly, make we take one or two messages. We get a message from Jonah here. Jonah he talks say, look, Oga Obije na elder statesman, and I enroll as elder statesman in the play.
Thank you very much.
Role as elder statesman.
Now wetin be the role when they play?
Of course.
The role when you dey play
make sure say look, if the person wey dey in power no do well, talk to am.
Thank you. Talk.
Wait.
Talk.
He don't talk. We no see action. What do you expect?
How you go talk say no talk?
Now reaction you go expect.
How you
Now
go
the
talk say no talk?
Now the reaction you don't see.
So as a father, you talk to your pikin, you talk to them. You know you come break your head.
Chukwudi,
answer the question.
Why will I answer your question?
Why will you not answer the question?
Jonah, we right. You don't know what in the right.
11 people now you don't talk. Say this thing when he do, you know they right. You can't tell your
Where
card.
the 11 people come from?
Make we take Okpayemi, make a 1 dozen. Okpayemi, good morning.
Okpayemi, good morning. Good morning, Okpayemi.
Okpayemi from Lagos, we dey hear you.
Hello? Yes,
Okpayemi,
good morning,
we dey hear
Okpayemi. Right now, we can hear you. Hello, good morning.
Reduce the volume of your television. Good morning, we dey hear you.
For Obasanjo to tear his card.
Thank you. Now this is the way she do. This is the way Okpayemi do now.
Wait. Wait. For Obasanjo
to tear his card.
For Obasanjo to tear his card.
Wait
now. No.
You know what it mean?
No.
You know what it mean?
No. For may I finish am for her?
No finish am for her.
Obasanjo to tear his card. Now to tell him say, look, the matter don't pass am.
Na lie. No be wetin she mean.
Okpayemi was going to say.
Wetin she do there na because the thing when she wan talk, the thing dey pain her.
You want to say choke am?
She come look say.
What am say the thing choke am?
No be say he choke am.
Now wetin right I say he choke am. Say he no say at all.
Excuse me, no be say he choke am.
I don't tell you wetin Okpayemi talk.
He wan talk.
Meanwhile, why Okpayemi dey talk her own? Kayode is calling us from Ilorin. Good morning, Kayode.
Now, good morning. No.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kayode. Your voice calm well.
That's so, my brother.
Thank you. We know.
Now I want to talk.
Okay,
yeah,
we hear you.
For the matter.
Me, I believe say the old man now old age the warrior.
Hey.
Because you know, say when person don't old, they talk say when became small, they carry 4 legs back. When you don't mature, carry 2 legs back. And when you come begin the old, you go back to young begin carry 3 legs.
But you know they take 3 legs,
excuse me.
2 legs.
Excuse me.
Old man the warrior now. Now when person don't get frustrated, now frustration will come out to behave like that. Because in an old man, he surprised people say him they behave like the king way no too, when a person don't be old in sense not the too correct. Because old man way they like that, no suppose at this age they behave the way they behave. Why Shagai not do that the way they behave?
Thank you.
When he's the president, he gets his way in they do Shagai no like. Why Shagai no come out, come the fire the vex, the whole flag they shout or they abuse him. When he's the president, he gets his way in the way Babangida no like. Babangida no stay for public, they abuse him. But no stay for public, they abuse him. All of them they insult him.
Abdul Salami wey hand over to Ram self.
He gets his way in where Obasanjo do that Islamic no like. One of them supporting government. Nobody they abuse him. Every time we issue day for Kaduna people, they kill themselves after election. All of them stand up, right around them to take support and just to say, man, do we mature person. Now, frustration, the warrior.
Oga Kayode, I know say this matter they pay you. Thank you very much. Our people went there for house. We don't give una the opportunity to talk as be una for body. Now, while we throw our phone lines open after all the topic when we discuss from Monday reach Thursday, we want to thank all our callers them. The Ahmed we call us from Lokoja and the one we call us from Niger. Okay from Calabar, Sent from Bayelsa.
Elena from Mina, Tony from Akure, Kayode from Ilorin, Matthew and then Philip. All these people will call us. Anyway, we want to thank you for at least chucking out inside the matter we will talk about today. And then we'll go continue to at least give now issues we concern us as they talk, we concern us. So that now we always they contribute. We could also they hear our own opinion. Make Nigerians at large also hear on our own opinion. So thank you very much.
Yes, until we come back on Monday. With another Ogbonge topic when they come out smoke. Make una know say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Nigeria no be anybody personal estate. We they join everybody when they for Wazobia TV family and all the people when they say we obodo Nigeria to say peace. We're in Nigeria. No
now peace would they pledge for? I beg peace.
Until we see next week.
Now,
why you do one like this?
Peace.